Nursery cartoon love, journey with who I'm.
And the glen where the lilies bow and sway, 5 ducks waddle by at the break of day. Their feathers gleam in the morning light, a chorus of quacks that feels just right. They splash in puddles with carefree grace, each ripple echoes their joyful chase. But overhead flies a shadowy crow, with wings spread wide in an anonymous flow. Why do you quack while I soar above? Call the crow with a voice like a shove. Your world is small, your dreams are meek, while I roam free, it's freedom I seek.
But the
The
bravest
ducks
mouse of
looked
all
up with
crept
eyes
up
so
and
bright. Dear
sniffed
friend,
the
said
trees
one,
right
in your
from
lofty
under the
flight,
grumpy bear's
you may
nose.
have heights we'll never know, but our hearts sing sweetly where waters flow. They dipped and dove through sunlit streams, in their gentle lives were woven dreams. For joy is found not in skies so high, but in simple moments that flutter by. The crow blinked twice at their merry play. Could happiness thrive in such humble way? He watched them dance beneath the trees, a curious feeling stirred on the breeze. Then down he swooped to join their throng, together they formed an unlikely song. 5 ducks and a crow on that radiant morn, a tapestry woven from laughter reborn. So let not your heart be swayed by despair. In every gathering blooms love to share. Whether feathered or winged or simply alive, together we flourish when friendships thrive.
Nursery cartoon love, journey with who I'm.